Yeah, if it's my rise over run, we talked about this in the previous unit. If I rise 0, right? It doesn't matter if I go up any here. I can't actually go anywhere. I can run, but 0 divided by anything is going to give me what? What do we have? Let me show you on mine. Okay, so let's say what we talked about here, if it was 0, let's say you ran 2. It's going to give you what? 0. So we know, even if you're rising any, no matter what this is, even if you said I'm going to run 2 or 3, your slope is still going to be 0. So here I can't rise any. But even if I ran 3, no matter how many I went over, my slope, or m, is still going to be 0. So what I want you to take away from this piece is if you have a horizontal line passing through any point 0, whatever your y value is, it's going to give you that slope of 0. So, to sum it up, this is what I want you to take into your independent practice today. The slope of a line can be both positive, negative, 0 if it's a horizontal line. It can also be undefined, but we're not going to talk about this just yet. Alright? Okay? We'll get to that piece. Okay? Slope is always rise over run. So your change in y over your change in x. This is just like your rate of change. Okay? And when we look here, right, if your slope is positive, posture. Alright. If it's positive, that means you're going uphill, right? You're rising some and going over, it's going to be positive. When you're going downhill, alright, it's going to be a negative slope because you're not rising, you're actually falling here and then going over and then 0. We'll talk about, if it's horizontal, we'll talk about undefined a little bit later. Okay? So you're going to find any 2 points and then do rise over run. Okay? Go ahead and flip to page 3. All right. You have 4 problems here. I'm going to give you, for these 4 problems, let's say I'm going to give you and your C partner 5 minutes to get as far as you can. I should see you actively working only with the person beside you. All right, you have 5 minutes, go. I should see pencils moving, just like Rachel. I should hear voices like Bree and Brianna. Thank you. Yeah, oh yeah, you can't. Okay, guys, so you're next in line. All right, I'm going to be coming around. Just see pencils moving.
Okay, which one did y'all have to do that you're supposed to be talking about together? Okay, go to page 3. Okay, go ahead and tell me about what you did on number 2, both of you.
I know it was positive because the line's going up and it's increasing, so it would be positive.
Okay, so why did you choose that it was positive? Why did you choose that it was positive? Okay. What about number 1?
Negative.
Why?
Well, it's decreasing.
Okay. And how do you know it's decreasing?
Line's going down.
Okay. Kayanza, can you and Toriana describe on number 3? It says prove the slope between 2 points on the line equivalent to any other 2 points on the line. How do you prove that?
You can use the rise and rising.
Okay. And explain this to me, Tori, what you did here.
I went from 1 point going like rising up, like with the loops going up, and then I did it with it running.
Okay. So what does this represent right here?
Rise over run.
Okay. So explain to me what you have that there with the cloud and the 2, 3.
Yeah, it's the rise over the run.
Excellent focus. You have a
That's
little
the rise
over
over
2
the
minutes
run.
left.
Okay. Explain what you did.
A little over 2
I
minutes.
went
I
up
see
2
many of you
from
on
the
the
first
next
point,
page.
and
Great
then I went
job.
over 3 for the
Okay.
next point.
A little over 1 minute. A little over 1 minute left.